Let's try one more challenge in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn to use Revolve, Plane along a path, Extrude, Circular pattern, Shell and Hold. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we create this center line here with 92 millimeters. Create this line here with 15 millimeters. And create this line here with 12 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, make this sketch here, and go to dimension, 92 millimeters here, 15 and 12 here. Now we will create this line, and the distance between this point and the midpoint is 46/2. And we will create this line here and this one. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 112/2. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 112/2. And let me move this here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points here is 46/2. Finish the sketch. Go to Revolve. And the axis, select this line here, operation new body, and press OK. Now we will select the front plane again, and we'll make this line here to create this plane. So this line has 12 millimeters of length, and this line is perpendicular with this face. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is letter C, 56 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, press letter P in the keyboard, and the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. Now select a line, a construction line type, make a construction line here with 12 millimeters of length. Make sure that this line is perpendicular with this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 56 millimeters. Finish the sketch, go to construct and select the plane along the path, select this line here. The distance here is 1 and press OK. Now I will hide the sketch tool, go to create a sketch and select this new plane. In this new plane we will create this sketch here. Here is the center of the plane, so we will create a circle with 35 millimeters of diameter, and we will extrude this circle to this face with a taper angle. So the angle here is 30/2, 15 degrees. So select the circle, click here in the center point, 35 millimeters of diameter, and finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, the Extend, select it to Object, select this face here, the Extend to Adjacent face, and the taper angle 15 degrees. Operation Join and press OK. We made this one. And now we will select the top plane and we'll make this sketch here. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this circle. And the diameter of this circle is 19 millimeters of diameter. And this circle is tangent with this circle here. And this circle here, the diameter is letter A plus 6 3 in this side and 3 in this side. And now we will create this line here and this line. The angle between these two lines is 72 degrees. So let me hide this bar a little bit. Select line, make a line here and make another line here. And go to constraint, select equal, select these two lines here. And go to constraint again, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. The angle between these two lines is 72 degrees. And make sure that this line is tangent with the circle. Now finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, show this body here, and we will make a cut here. The width offset of 8 millimeters. The cut will begin here through all, okay? So the start, select the offset here, 8 millimeters. And the direction, one side, the extended type, all, operation cut, and press OK. Now we use the circular pattern to make more 4 cuts. So go to circular pattern, the object type, select the features, select this cut, the axis, select the circle here, the quantity is 5, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will shell this body. The thickness is 5 millimeters, and we will remove this face here and the bottom face. So go to modify, select the shell, select this face here and the bottom face. The thickness 5 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will make the base. So to create the base, we will create this sketch here, create a circle, but here we will create an offset of this sketch here with 5 millimeters of distance, because when you make this shell, we made this problem here. So we need to correct this. So go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Let's rotate this a little bit, see the bottom face here. And here, show the sketch 4 and go to create, project include, project, select this circle and select this arc here. And press OK. And select line, make a tangent line here between this arc and this circle and make the same here. And go to circular pattern, the object, select this two line and this arc, the center point, select this circle, the quantity 5 and press OK. And here go to project again, press letter P in the keyboard and select this arc here and press OK. Now finish the sketch, go to extrude. I will hide this bar a little bit. Select this sketch. And here we need to extrude this 8 millimeters. So show this bar here. 8 millimeters. The operation here is join and press OK. Hide the sketch 4. Now we will create this hole here. So we'll make a point for reference in this face. And the dimensions of this hole, 15 diameter, 3 diameter of 3 millimeters of deep, and the diameter here is 7 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face here, press letter P in the keyboard, select this face and press OK. And here we have the reference for the holes. Finish the sketch, go to hole, the placement from sketch, select this point here, this one, and the extend, select all, the hole type, select counter body, the diameter here 15, the dip here 3 millimeters, and the diameter here is 7 millimeters, and press OK. We made this profile here, this part. And now to finish this exercise, we need to create this cut here, this slot. This slot has 5 millimeters and the angle 70 degrees. And the distance between the center, the midpoint here, and the center of this slot here is 10 millimeters. Or you can create a construction circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter for reference. So go to create a sketch, select this face, press letter P in the keyboard, select the circle, press OK, and go to create, select the slot, and select the center point arc slot. Click here in this point, make a slot here, and select a line, a construction line, make a construction line here. Find the center of this slot and make this line a horizontal line. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two arcs here is 5 millimeters. And select a construction line again. Make a line from the midpoint to this point here. The angle here is 70 degrees. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. Now go to circular pattern, select this slot, and the center point, select this circle here. The quantity is 3 and press OK. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile and make a cut here, minus 10 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. We made this body here. So now let's check the volume of this model. So click here with the right button and go to property. And the volume here, let me show the volume in the exercise. The answer, it is the same answer. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.